BMW Motorrad reaffirms its dominance in the premium Roadster segment by launching the 2025 BMW R1300R. This motorcycle is an evolution of its predecessor, the R1250R, which has long been known for its powerful naked character but remains comfortable for daily riding. Now with major improvements in the engine, ergonomics, and technology sectors, the R1300R is present as the most powerful naked roadster from BMW. BMW maintains the characteristic horizontally opposed two-cylinder boxer engine, but now in the same new 1,300 cubic centimeters capacity as in the R1300 GS. This engine is capable of spewing out 143.5 horsepower at 7,750 RPM and peak torque of 149 Nm at 6,500 RPM, a significant increase over the previous generation. The engine character is very distinctive, strong from low revs, smooth in the middle, and explosive at high revs. The new engine is also 6.5 kilograms lighter than the 1250 Boxer engine, making a major contribution to the reduction in total weight of the bike to around 237 kilograms. Quite light for its class and providing a more agile and precise riding sensation when entering corners. The R1300R is not just about power. BMW has embedded high-end technology that makes this bike very adaptive and safe in various conditions. ASA Automated Shift Assistant, an optional feature that allows clutchless gear changes both up and down, suitable for long-distance touring and daily urban riding. Although not a DCT like on Honda motorbikes, ASA provides a more relaxed yet sporty riding experience. Electronic systems and riding modes. For riding modes, road, rain, eco, and dynamic. Dynamic traction control, DTC, ABS Pro, and engine drag torque control, MSR, come as standard. Hill Start Control Pro makes it easier to start uphill. Dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment, is available on the SC variant, which automatically adjusts the suspension damping based on riding style and load. Full LED lighting. The latest aggressive and modern headlight design, complete with adaptive turning lights as an optional feature. When cornering, the light will follow the direction of the steering wheel for optimal visibility at night. 6.5-inch TFT display. Full digital instrument panel that displays complete information, speedometer, tachometer, turn-by-turn navigation via BMW Motorrad connected app connectivity, riding mode indicator, tire pressure, TPMS, as well as suspension and grip heater settings. BMW uses a tubular steel frame with the engine as the main structural part. This chassis is more compact and lightweight, making the motorbike more agile. The front suspension uses a 45mm inverted telescopic fork, while the rear uses the latest power lever EVO system, which is improved to respond better to thrust during acceleration. The handling of the R1300R feels stable at high speeds, but remains agile when cornering on mountain roads. The combination of suspension, chassis, and lighter weight make the R1300R very enjoyable to use aggressively or casually. The design is now more aggressive. The handlebars are flatter and slightly forward, and the foot pegs are set back, providing a sporty yet comfortable riding position. BMW also offers seat height options ranging from 760mm to 840mm, so you can adjust the rider's posture. The handlebars can even be rotated 180 degrees to create a more forward-leaning position, ideal for sport-oriented riding. Price and variants. BMW offers 3 variants for the R1300R. Standard basic features: LED headlamp £13,200, style SE ESA, riding modes Pro, cruise control, quickshifter £15,500. Style SE plus ASA additional ASA semi-automatic shift system £16,255.